I hope I didn't mess that up.
You did.
Dang it, I'm sorry.
It's okay, there's a two-part. Definitely a two-part. Here. What are you supposed to give this to?
You just didn't want to do it last night.
Didn't you say this could only be? This could.
That right there is salve, honey.
Can we?
It's not gonna hurt the baby.
Let's put it back. Let's put it back. Let's put it back.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. All right.
Oh, nice. So this was the second part of this video. So, because my mom actually bumped the phone and it stopped recording when I paused it. So, go look at this video too. They haven't seen the black one.
I like the gray one a lot. It's gonna be very cute.
I want to see the orangish gray one.
You know what? He does have a lot more orange on him than I thought. I'm assuming she's a female. I can't tell. Oh yeah, look at it. The whole other side is orange. Aww, you are pretty. Oh yeah. You do have a decent amount of orange on you. It's okay. It's okay.
It's a wiggly little thingies.
Yeah. Can you take a really good picture of it?
I'm not on the video.
Because I wanted to send it to Cassidy. Please. We can do it later otherwise.
Yeah? I should tell Isaac about this. We can send him a picture. Here's Mama.
Here, let me put her back. Him back. I can't tell the difference whether they're male or female. The gray one definitely seems like a boy.
This one?
No, this is a black one with the calico.
Is
orange. You can't take a picture?
I can't. It's on video. I can after I finish this.
Trying to see him.
Mama's right here. Wait, she has blue eyes. Oh my gosh, she has blue eyes.
The babies always have bluer eyes. Their eye color doesn't come in right away. It's okay.
Mama.
It's chilly down here.
show you Mama. Okay. Look at him. Oh, what you doing? Can I? Oh, look at them in here.
I got them covered a little bit so that they're not so cold. I need to get out, and you're right in my way. I'm gonna shut that light off. Are you done down here or what?
I'm gonna see them one more time.
You don't need to film all day.
What?
You don't need to film all day.
I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna look at them up one more time. Ooh, it's a bug. Ooh. Okay. Okay, guys. That's the end of the video. Stay tuned for more. And bye. Giddy. Bye. Okay, guys.
Are you done
Bye.
down here?
Bye. Peace. By the way, peace, sorry, baby. Peace.